Hi, this is Jason from Jascom Web Design Solutions, and I just want to highlight a couple of projects I did in the last 12 months that showcase some of the more advanced features that we can have on websites. So let me bring you through them. Okay, the first one I want to show you is on Tawn Art Center. So that's on tawn.ie, and this is a really packed, immersive, interactive website with lots and lots of events that are coming up over the next 12 months, all listed on their website. So something that's really handy is this little widget that shows the next upcoming shows, and you will always see the most recent shows right here in front of you in the home page that are coming. So if you want to see all shows, you just click on view all shows, and you can scroll right down to the full list of shows that are loaded so far. The guys in on Tawn manage this themselves. They load all of the information, all of the pictures, the dates, the times, and then if you want to register or book, you click on the book now button. That brings you to a booking engine where you can book any one of these shows. So it's really well thought out site. It's a very busy site, and it's a really useful site for somebody who wants to book a show. They've also got other stuff like online donations, and they have newsletter subscriptions. They have their own news, and then you can wander through the gallery of previous exhibitions, workshops, artist support, news, and lots going on there. So you look for yourself, and that's on tawn.ie. Next website I wanted to show you is Zenergy Yoga, and that's run by Orla in Blackrock. And Orla is a busy lady who runs lots of classes, online and offline classes, for her members, and she's got this really cool widget on the home page where you can select as a visitor what level you're at, and it'll filter in and out all of the classes that are relevant to you. She has her own yoga app that is integrated into the website called Momo Yoga, and it will push through the classes to the website and allow people to see what the schedule is and allow them to book through. So when you click on any one of these book now buttons, it takes you away to Momo Yoga, and then you can complete the booking. So it is possible to integrate a third party booking system into your own website, and it's quite seamless. So she's got lots of classes and workshops, and you can even hire the venue. She's also got her own shop where you can buy her merchandise, her merch integrated into the site. So there's lots and lots going on there, and you can look for yourself. That one is on zenergyyoga.ie. Next one up is Neve Carter Interiors. .com, and I just wanted to show you this because of the level of thinking that went into the content that's on this site. So there's really very high quality imagery, color coordination, as you would expect with an interior design site, but there's also some video. So there's an internal video of the premises there, a promotional video, along with some associated partner branding, a list of all the services, and an Instagram feed on the homepage as well. So when the guys update their Insta photos, they're pushed through fairly quickly onto the website. One feature I'd like to show you is their online shop. So when you click here, it brings you over to their shop where they have hundreds and hundreds of products on display here. Some good bargains, but great ranges of very well known and trusted interior design brands. So that's all on nevecarterinteriors.com, and you can browse for yourself there. Another project I'd like to show you is a recent completion of the new Dundalk Chamber of Commerce website. So there's a couple of really cool features on this, but there was a lot of thinking went into the user journey on this site, because there's lots of different types of users who will use the site, from existing members to new members to people who are just curious about Dundalk and whether they should base their business there. So we decided to make this site really interactive and useful for people, because there's lots of information. We want to make them engage. So we included things like flip boxes and this little ticker that comes across and shows the latest events. Something that's very important to the members is events. So there's a whole mechanism where if you click on events here, it'll show upcoming events, and you can register for any of these events. This is quite advanced, where it'll show you date, time, the business category, the contact details, and you can open it up and register yourself and somebody else. So you can add a guest. If there were 2 or 3 other people who were working in the company who wanted to come with you to that event, that can all be done there. They also have a members directory. So when you click on this, you can jump into any of these categories and you can see all the companies who are members here listed alphabetically. So you can check out their own website and the contact details, and that's completely searchable as well. So if we go back here, we go to the members directory, should be able to type in. So if I typed in web design and we ran a search, my company comes up, Jascom. It'll also show the newest members in a little widget below that, so we can see who the new people who are signing up. The last thing I wanted to show you was around forums. So there's an upcoming awards event later in this year, and one thing the guys in the chamber wanted to do was to have a really sophisticated online entry form that shows the breadth of all the categories that someone can enter into, and then the mechanism to step them through the actual application. So this is what's known as a multi-part form. You can have several pages and steps all the way through. Because the application process is quite comprehensive, you need to split it into a multi-part form, and we're able to do that for them. So you can check out all of that information on dundalk.ie. The last thing I wanted to show you was just our own site, and something that is becoming a lot more popular is online payments through a payments portal. Many of you will know what an e-commerce shop is, and that's where you have a fixed product at a set price. But if you just want to take a payment from a customer where you've agreed the price over the phone, or maybe they want to make a part payment on an invoice that's outstanding, we've been setting up payment portals like this for customers, and it's very simple. How it works is you direct your customer to the portal, you just give them the link, and when they click on Pay Now, it loads up the credit card payment, and they can put in the amount, they can put an invoice number, or just a piece of text that says I owe you a certain amount of money, their name, their email address. They put in their own credit card details, so you don't take them over the phone or anything like that. It reduces security, and then they tick on the anti-spam box and they hit Pay Now. You can understand that this is very useful and very powerful for SMEs who just want to make online payments really simple. It's powered by Stripe, and the big advantage is that this system can sit on your website and not be used, and it won't cost you anything. How it works is that Stripe take their commission only when someone makes a payment. So it's not like a credit card machine where there's a set fee. It just sits in the background for when you want to use it. So anyway, you can have a look at those websites that we discussed today: Anton Arts Theatre, Zenergy Yoga, Neve Carter Interiors, Dundalk Chamber, or anything else by clicking on the projects link on jascom.ie.